Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lecture for class 11th, subject zoology. Our today's topic is epithelial tissue, its functions and types. In our previous topic, we studied about the tissues, and in that topic we understood that the body of multicellular animals as well as the human body is composed of four basic types of tissues, that is epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue and neural tissue, also known as nervous tissue. Now first of all, we will understand about this epithelial tissue. So far the epithelial tissue is concerned, it forms the covering of all body surfaces and lines, the internal surface of hollow visceral organs like heart, lungs, abdominal cavity, etc. This epithelial tissue is made of tightly packed cells, as you can see in this sketch, with a very little intercellular material. These epithelial cells rest on a non-cellular basement membrane, and the tissue is avascular. That means the epithelial tissue has not its own blood supply but derives its nutrients from the underlying connective tissue below the basement membrane. Now, depending upon the type of epithelial tissue, it is meant to perform diverse functions like protection, secretion, absorption, excretion, diffusion, and also sensory reception. Now, the types of epithelial tissue. So far the types of epithelial tissue are concerned. The epithelial tissue is broadly classified into simple epithelium and compound epithelium. So far this simple epithelium is concerned, it is composed of single layer of cells and functions as lining for body cavities and ducts, etc. While as the compound epithelium is composed of two or more cell layers and has a protective function, mainly protective function, protection against the chemical and mechanical stress. Now this simple epithelium is further classified into different types, as you can see: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium and glandular epithelium. Now we will study these types of simple epithelium one by one. As you can see in this slide, first the simple squamous epithelium. The simple squamous epithelium, in this epithelium, the cells are very thin, flat and have irregular boundaries. It forms the inner lining of alveoli, blood vessels, which is also known as endothelium, and peritoneum of the body cavity. It is involved in the formation of diffusion boundaries through which the slow diffusion of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place. After it, the second type of this simple epithelium is simple cuboidal epithelium. As the name suggests, its cells are cuboidal in shape. That is, the cells appear cubical in vertical section. It is found in small ducts of salivary and pancreas and in the thyroid vesicles also. Its main functions are secretion and absorption. Now the third type is simple columnar epithelium. The cells in this epithelium are tall, cylinder and pillar-like with one oval nucleus at the base of the cell. It is found in the inner surface of the stomach. It is found in gallbladder, intestine, gastric glands, and intestinal glands also. It also helps in the absorption and secretion. The next epithelium is simple ciliated epithelium. As you can see, this epithelium has cilia-like structures on its free surface. This layer consists of columnar or cuboidal epithelial cells which bear cilia on their free surfaces. This epithelium is found in fallopian tubes, bronchioles, and nasal passages. The cilia of this tissue help in the movement of ova, mucus, etc. in a particular direction. Now, lastly, we will understand about the compound epithelium. The compound epithelium consists of more than one layer of cells. The main function of compound epithelium is to provide protection against chemical and mechanical stresses. Now, in our next topic, we will understand about the types and functions of connective tissue. Until then, goodbye and good luck. Thank you.